In the Jewish oral law, the married women were not allowed to speak in the synagogue, but had to ask their questions of their husbands at home. This is only in the oral law. There is no such law in the law of Moses. Note that in the King James Version it says your women, and not just women. Let your women keep silence in the churches. Paul is not addressing all women here. He is addressing the wives who were being talkative, disrupting the church service with their vocalized questions to their husbands. Paul tells them to be silent in the church service and to ask their questions of their husbands at home. You cannot ask questions of your husband at home if you do not have a husband. He is dealing with a local situation at the Corinthian church and the wives who were disrupting the church service.